welcome back to Brick Reviews UK. Today we've got a Lego Architecture set, which is a Statue of Liberty, set number 21042. Been out since 2018, this particular one. I eventually got around to it because I got the Titanic. I'm not something in the same scale, which is 1/200th, just to be beside the Titanic, which unfortunately obviously never reached New York, but obviously that was its intended destination. Right, box itself, obviously got the Lego picture on there on the front of the actual set. On the back you've got the actual one in New York there. It's also got the size of the actual thing itself, which is 144 millimeters in width, and in height 445 millimeters. Right on this side here we just got sort of a line drawing of it. Now the actual box itself is actually open, the reason being because I started recording this and for some reason it stopped. Obviously it didn't like me waffling on, but yes, I've already opened this once, but there is an unboxing review. But I know it's open, but I've only just opened it and didn't even take anything out really before it failed, but never mind. Right, let's get these out, see how many bags we've got. Plastic, of course. This did come out in 2018, it's only from this year really, 2025, maybe latter ones are 2024 where they're in the paper bags. Obviously nice to see bags which are numbered. A couple of sets which I've done recently from other companies have not been numbered, so been a bit more trickier to put together, but obviously this is a lot more parts. Believe 1,685 parts in total. Right, so that's all the bags, and we've got some, let's see these here, some, I don't know, these are some red parts which go in the centre of the actual statue. Right, let's move the box out the way, we don't need that anymore for the time being. Instruction manual. Before they had the little QR code so you could get your, well then VIP points, or insiders points as it is now. Right, so what we got, it's a pictorial sort of reference of the actual Statue of Liberty. Tell you all about it, gift from France, etc. Yeah, so it's quite nice. All in English. Also goes on the size, what style it is. Right, and then obviously onto the actual bags itself. The black background, as it was then, not always popular choice with people. Obviously black, as you can see. Let me see there. Let's bring up here closer, in case you haven't never done an architecture site before. And you can see the black here. Now, obviously black on black won't show, so they put a little white outline around it to show it's black. I always don't use these manuals. I use the online one. This is obviously the older version where it's page by page. Obviously the newer one, you can tilt and move them around the pages, which is absolutely fantastic. So you can, if you're unsure where the actual location of a brick is, you can actually zoom in, zoom out, pinch and move it around. Absolutely fantastic. But yeah, so colour wise, not the best, I don't think, for these black background ones. And this is obviously the main colour there. I mean that's close enough. You're not going to get it mixed up. If you have a load of blues, yeah, could be a problem. I mean, you can identify the white, the light grey and the dark grey easy enough. But yeah, so comprehensive manual. Don't many steps is in it. Let's have a look. Yeah, bear with me. I will get there in the end. Sure. 171 steps. Right, and what else have we got in the back here? Right, so there's other ones. If you like this one, want to get the New York City skyline one. There's obviously London, and other different ones there, and other ones you can get as well in the series. And then part list on the back there. Yeah, normal brick separator. That's about it really for that. I won't demonstrate how the bricks come together. It's Lego, we know how they come together. What we'll do, we'll put it together. Obviously give us a bit of time on that one. Obviously be seconds with yourself, obviously be a few hours for me. And then we'll go over it and see what we think of it. Right, catch up with you very, very soon when it will all be built. Welcome back, build all done. We've got a top down view here. It's quite a large set, I must admit. Quite tall anyway. Build itself, quite straightforward to do. Yeah, it's really nice and stable. This only thing I must say is probably the face, which, yeah, there is alternatives to that because, well, that's not really a face, it's just a shield. As I said, there is 2 alternatives. We're going to try them, see which one's the best for it. Yeah, I might just put a quick short up of that one there, of the faces when I do them. But yeah, not the best. The rest of the build, yeah, that's pretty nice, must admit, indeed. Yeah. How long did it take me to do? Oh, I don't really. It's a bit hard to put it. Let's put it down there carefully. Yeah, not. I don't know. Not too long to build, I must admit. 6 or 7 hours, I suppose, roughly. Didn't actually time myself. Colour-wise, obviously, it's obviously the green because just the sort of sand coloured tiles. There's a few other different colours in there hidden away which you can't really see, but yeah, all in all, yeah, pretty pleased with that, how it's come out. Obviously it's going next to the Titanic. Obviously cut the video and then I'll show it to you next to the Titanic, because at the moment obviously the phone's in the little cradle above me. But yeah, what more can I say? Yeah, I said apart from the face, which we're going to do 2 different alternatives to that, see which one's the best. Probably come up as a short. Neck as wide, neck as well. There you can see that there. The neck is a little bit too long, I think, personally. Other people have also said that as well. The neck's a bit too long. But all in all, yeah, pretty pleased with that. So what I do, I cut now, and I said the next video will be of the actual set next to the Titanic. Well, here it is, placed next to the Titanic. As I said, same scale as what the Titanic is. As you can see, much more taller than the Titanic as well. Okay, hope you enjoyed this content. Like, comment, subscribe. You know the jazz. Bye-bye for now.